our last, it's not really age category, it's the project for initial vocational education and training. And I would like to invite on stage Mr. Peter Depren from the Directorate General for Education, Youth, Sport and Culture from the European Commission, in order to reward our winners who are over there. And of course we need them to come while we are watching the video of their project.
We wanted to start a project covering how to cope with fake news in the media, specifically in chemistry science. I learned a lot for this project about chemistry and food technology. I learned about additives. I also learned more about new experiments.
And just to mention the name of the project that I think I missed it. So natural is good, chemical is bad. You can learn more in their workshops about and have a question, a reply to this question.
So also for this project, we really want to warmly congratulate you on this outstanding project, which we're very glad to also give an award to. The title, as it already says, was a project which illustrated the fact that you tackled a challenging topic, but you succeeded in making sure that your pupils were able to critically reflect on a topic like, is this really true? Can we challenge those generally accepted beliefs about natural products, chemical products? And so we were really impressed by the way how you tackled this project. You made very much use of creative utilized tools. You really made sure that the pupils are actually really working together in the eTwinning style, eTwinning spirit, so that was also very nice to see. And we also were very much impressed about your dissemination practices. We saw e-books, we saw a lot of sites being created, some kind of conference online as well, so that was also very nice to see. So for all those reasons, very well done and congratulations.